Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a pinsetter mechanic. I'm certified to work on Brunswick A2, and jetback pinsetters. Today we're going to be doing adjustment number 26, the ball lift rod adjustment. First thing we want to do is we want to make sure that our elevator frame and elevator guide rollers are all adjusted properly. So adjustment 24 and number 25. Once those are correct, then you can move on to step 2. You want to place a standard size ball between the lift rods. Between the lift rods and ball elevator wheel, and manually rotate the ball wheel until the ball wedges itself. Manually rotate it, thus lifting the ball lift rods. Loosen the jam nut and turn the adjusting screw on the clapper box until the bottom of the screw is 1/4 inch from the surface on the lower clapper box. Okay, so have not gone into that much detail with this. What we've done, like this, yes, it needs to go up. But if you want to get technical, this is, according to the book, right. But that's not how I've been adjusting it for 5 years. So we're going to need our 9/16 wrench and the Allen wrench. Basically, I get it to where when the ball is going up the lift rods, when the ball is going up the lift rods, it just barely moves that clapper box up. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look. Perfect. Perfect. So, yeah, you want to go ahead and just raise the clapper box up until when the ball goes through, there's little to no movement on the clapper box. And that's how I've adjusted them for the last 5 years, and they've always worked that way. Well, if we look at it according to the book, my shit's way off. But at the same time, the damn bumper won't let it go that big. This part is always varied from machine. Oh, sorry. It is always varied from machine to machine for me. Like, there might be somewhere this piece is like this, but then on others it might be flipped around into the spring. I'll be honest with you right now, I don't like how close this is. Like, that's really compressed. So I'm going to move that out. So I like that better, or at least how it looks. And then I'm going to run it through again and make sure that it's actually good. Yep. I'm liking it. Okay, so yeah, so the only thing that has always been a constant thing for me is your clapper box. You just raise that, lower it, depending. Is you don't want it too low. Like, you do want it to lift up a little bit, because if it's too high, then it's not going to grab the ball and you're just going to have spinners. If it's too low, then the ball can't go through and then you're going to have spinners. So you want to get it to where the ball is just barely lifting up the clapper box, and then you should be fine. And then when it comes to the spring, don't have the spring completely compressed like how that one was. Like, if you can loosen everything and get it to where it's not completely tight and stressed and it still go up, then you're good to go. So anyways, this is the end of the adjustment. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you feel like sharing the video, that'd be cool. And we'll see you next video. Bye.